Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Michelle and today I'm going to be showing you how I did a DIY birthday photo shoot for my 25th birthday. I'm going to be showing you the preparation process, how I set everything up, where I got the items from. I'm also going to be leaving some links down below. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Guys, here I am showing you these confetti balloons I got from Amazon. It took me a while to blow up all those balloons. I believe 20 came in a pack. I think I blew up about 10 of them. So yeah, here I am blowing up balloons. Be careful if you decide to purchase these though, because if air comes out of it while you're blowing it up, the air pushes the confetti in the back of your throat and that can choke you. It almost happened to me, so just be careful. Here I am blowing up some gold balloons I got from Party City. They were about $3.99 and I think about 15 came from the pack. I also got these white balloons as well. However, they are a 9-inch balloon, so I actually made a mistake. If you see how they have a different shape than the gold balloons, so if you decide to purchase these balloons from Party City, just be careful. Just look at the packaging and make sure that it's a 12-inch balloon and not a 9-inch. So yeah, I'm going to let the music play a little bit and I'm going to come back when I start to do something else. Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to let you guys know that I used an air pump. I tried it twice and it didn't work. I'm not sure as to why. If you have a air pump at home, you should try it and see if it works out for you. Yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. So hey guys, now I'm gonna start blowing up these number balloons. I got a 1995 for 1995. That's the year I was born. I did use an air pump for this. It did work. So there's the one. I'm just gonna be showing you how big they are and how I blew them up. So keep on watching. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that these balloons, they blew up pretty fast. Way to secure them, they have a little sticky tape, or I think it's tape, inside where you insert the pump, and that's how you secure the air inside. So I just want to let you know it's very easy to blow them up. So yeah. Hey, so now I'm going to be blowing up the happy birthday balloons, and my little daughter Melanie, she wanted to help me. So yeah, we're going to be blowing it up with the pump, similar to what I was doing with the number balloons. These balloons also came with a straw to blow it up, and some string. The number balloons also came with a straw, just in case, you know, whoever buys it doesn't have an air pump. So yeah, we're going to be blowing up these balloons, so keep on watching. So hey guys, these are all the balloons that I blew up. These are a lot of balloons. But yeah, it took me, I think, about an hour. So definitely do this when you have some time on your hands. So now I am rearranging my room. I had to take off all my wall decor and my pictures off of the wall so that I can hang up the decorations. So this is the garland. I believe that's what you call it. Yeah, I purchased this on Amazon. Here I am putting on tape. You will see in a few that I had to use thumbtacks because the garland kept falling down. So yeah, I'm just arranging them how I want, just playing around to see what I like the best. So yeah, keep on watching, guys. So hey guys, as you can see, I have this little piece of garland that I'm trying to hang up. You just be careful with this garland. It gets tangled very easily. I tried to untangle it, but as you can see, I had to cut it because it was just taking too long. So yeah, I try to just, piece them around, the long pieces of garland, try to make it cute. So yeah guys, keep on watching. So now I'm trying to put up the number balloons. As you keep on watching, you're going to see that it was kind of an epic fail. I had taped the back of the balloons and tried to hang them up in a nice little pattern where the 1 was lower, the 1 and the 5 was lower than the 9s. So yeah, I used tape, but they kept falling. You're going to see in the next clip, so keep on watching.
As you can see behind me, the 9 and the 5 has dropped off. It looks different from the previous slide. So now I'm going to take those down, string them because they actually have holes at the top, and I don't know what I was thinking. It's actually a brand new day from the previous clip. I'm gonna string the happy birthday sign as well and hang them, so keep on watching.
Hey guys, so as I said in the previous clip, I was taking down the number balloons and stringing them. I did want to let you know that one of the 9s were deflated. I'm not sure as to why. I did the same thing with all of them. The 5, the 1, and the 9 were still perfectly plumped, if that's how you say it. But the 1 9 that I showed you, it was deflating. Hey, as I said before, I just want to mention that if you do not have time, please do not do this because stringing these balloons took about an hour and a half. So yeah, I did get a little frustrated, as you can see. Hey guys, so now I'm just gonna hang up the number balloons. I use Thumbtacks to hang them. I'm just gonna hang them and then play around with them and just see what I like. I hung them a little low just because I wanted to do a sitting photo. So yeah. So now I decided to hang the garland a little lower. I was looking in my phone. That's what I'm using to take the pictures, and the garland seems so high up. I am doing a sitting photo, so I wanted the garland to touch the lower half of the wall. So now I am using this clip. I'm not really sure what the correct name for it is, but basically you can attach 4 balloons to it and hang the balloons, but be careful because as you just saw, the balloons popped. I ended up deciding to use tape, but as you're gonna see in a few that I'm gonna decide to use Thumbtacks just because the tape would not stick to the wall. I got this tape from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it or if it's just my wall, but yeah, so I decided to use Thumbtacks. Just be careful. I punched the little hole at the very end. Just be careful punching it too close to the inflated part because it will pop. So yeah, I'm just hanging up the balloons now and just placing them, playing around with them, see how I like it. So yeah, guys. So now it is time to string the happy birthday balloons. I forgot to mention before, be careful how you place them on the string. You have to start with the Y first, just so that it's not backwards. So yeah, that's what I started with, the Y, and then the P, A, H. The H was the last one. So now I am cleaning. You guys are gonna get a little cleanup video, like how they do it on YouTube. But yeah, I'm cleaning. I'm making my bed, clearing off my bed, making my bed, so that I can place the balloons and the confetti on it, and hang the happy birthday balloons as well. So yeah, I'm making my bed. Hey, I also forgot to mention that I think that if you are planning to do a photo shoot in your bedroom, having light colored sheets like white is the best option to do a photo shoot, because whatever balloons or confetti or decorations you want to place will really pop on white. So now, as you can see, I just hung the happy birthday signs. I used tape to tape the birthday sign to my bed, and then I used tape to hang the happy sign to my wall. So now I'm just playing around with it, seeing what I like. So hey guys, now I'm bringing in the balloons. I have a 2 and a 5 that I got from Party City, and I also have a bunch of balloons that I brought from Amazon and Party City, like I shown you in the beginning of this video. But I took them to Party City to get blown up. I spent about $20 to get 16 balloons blown up, and look what happened. They're all deflated. They didn't even last a day. I literally got them around like 4, and then the next day, early morning, it was all on the ground. So hey, so now I'm just detangling them. They all got tangled, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna place them. I'm bunching about 4 or 5 in my hand, and I'm going to tape them to my wall between the 2 and the 5. And then you're gonna see a little later that I'm going to actually tape the top of the balloons that I have left and tape them to my ceiling, just to make it seem like they're actually hanging in the photo. So yeah, keep on watching, guys. So now it's time for the confetti. My baby Melanie, my daughter, she's helping me place the confetti on the bed. And so I got the confetti from Amazon as well, and we're just making it cute, you know. Hey guys, so this is how it looks. This is the sequence, and you have happy birthday, and then the 2 and the 5, 25, baby. And then I have the balloons up here that you just saw that I taped to the ceiling. Hey guys, so I'm finally ready after all of this preparation, and now you guys are gonna see me how I take my pictures. I don't know how this is gonna go. I am not photogenic at all, I'm the opposite of photogenic, but I'm gonna try my best because I want these pictures to come out decent. Okay, all right, so keep on watching. So hey guys, I'm just here adjusting the phone that I'm using to take my pictures. As you can see, I was trying to screen record and trying to see how I looked in the frame, but something happened to the rest of the process of me taking my pictures. So here are just some photos that I took and a short clip of my phone setup and the pictures that I took with the 1995 setup. I also want to let you guys know that I had to crop off the sides before posting to my social media just for a cleaner look. Hey guys, this is it. This is the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. This took me a couple days to put together, from buying the supplies and setting it up and taking my pictures. But this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know if you're gonna do your own DIY birthday photo shoot. Okay, bye guys.